DIY police here. Keep your hands and tools where we can see them. Just kidding, guys. Today is all about tools, wires, and easy fixes around the house. We all hate when this happens, a wire getting cut while being put in an outlet. However, we have a solution with which you can easily blend out the difference. This small piece of copper will serve as a bridge between the wire and outlet. And the best part is that the wire won't get cut off ever again. And while we are in this wire mood, let's attach two wire by just twisting them together. It's just as easy as braiding human hair, even though braiding hair is a bit more difficult. And when we don't have the right tool available, we improvise, so in this scenario a stapler does the job perfectly. But when the right tool is available, of course we use that one. In the upcoming second, we will be showing you how you can twist the wires with a drill. And the job is done in the most seamless way possible. The wires are strongly twisted into each other. Since we are talking about wire twisting, we have another method in our pocket. We are working on a drill addition that requires just 3 simple items. And now it's time we test it out on the wires. And it works! The new drill addition can perfectly twist the wires of this cable. The next hack is all about adding a fastener to the other end of a wire. By doing this, you will get rid of the plastic part, and adding the fastener will be the easiest job on the planet. And it worked. It always does. Sometimes, a 3-way wire can't be avoided. Don't worry, here's how you can do it. By opening a pocket in the middle of 2 wires, we create enough space to attach the third one. What we really need is some extra copper wires to fill out the pocket we created. With just a few twisting and the new wire is all ready. Let's hope you are having fun because we are moving into the next one that will show you to add wires into electrical plugs. After opening up the electrical plugs, we move into making the wires ready. Once you create a twisting pattern within the wires, the job becomes instantly easier. After putting the wires into the plugs, we cut off any excessive length. Attaching the wires into the plugs and then putting both pieces into the plastic frame. Closing it up and we are ready to go. And when asked to attach such small items into wires, we do it this way. By using a bolt, we can bend the copper wires so it becomes easier to add the addition. And what's left is to just attach these two pieces together. Once the wire is all set up, we move into putting the wire where it is needed. First adding the wire and then the bolt in the middle. Let's hope this hack will come in handy. The next project is to turn this empty plastic fuel tank into a cable organizer. The first step is to create two spots on both sides of the tank. After that is done, we add this pipe inside the tank. Using a thick drill shank to create the space to add the cables. There's just one pipe left to add to make the cable organizer complete. No more getting messed up in cables. Has any of your light bulbs exploded? Well, such incidents can happen. Here's how you can safely change it. By using a bottle, you are safer than ever to remove the broken light bulb. See? So easy. Since we are talking about light bulbs, here's how we add one in just any wood piece. Twisting the wires into the nails in this way. And the next step is to just put the light bulb into the nails. Let there be light. Perfect! And this wire organizer will save you so much time and nerves. It's just so easy, anyone can do it. And now your wires won't get messed up again. We just can't get enough of this interesting scenarios. The next one is to attach wires into this wood board. The only thing left to do is to make sure everything stays intact. And voila! Putting a wire inside a wood piece might look challenging, but with these steps isn't. A bit drilling here and there. And there it is! And for the next one, we are creating a cutting tool for when working with wires. It cuts effective and is also very safe to use. Thank you guys for watching. We hope you enjoyed it.